Sveicināti visiem! Ar jums kopā šodien Vinds, un mēs spēlēsim Deadliest Catch Alaskan Storm. Šo spēli es esmu spēlējis jau iepriekš, un es zinu, kas šeit ir jādara, un varbūt arī kas nav jādara. Un, protams, es šajā spēlē neesmu nekāds lielais profiņš, bet, zinu, kas ir jādara tomēr. Jā, un būs arī iespēja tāda, ka man mikrofons varētu čarkstēt, tāpēc atvainojiet par to. Tātad, tad sākam spēli.
Arctic Lights. We are taking on water and require immediate assistance. There are 4 people on board. Mayday. U.S. Coast Guard, Kodiak, Alaska. ETA to scene 15 minutes. 15 minutes. All stations keep a sharp lookout for signs of distress.
We're right outside Dutch Harbor, and we've just got a nasty weather report with some storm force winds heading our way. The safest thing to do is to turn around and head back into port. The autopilot is set. All you need to do is run the throttle and control the speed. Why don't you take the wheel and see what you got?
Tātad šajā misijā mēs braucam līdz dokiem, lai izvairītos no vētras. It kā šeit nekas cits nebūs jādara, kā tik jāliek gāzi uz priekšu vai uz atpakaļ. Un, tas arī tā kā viss.
Left click and drag the throttle.
Šajā misijā būs dažas lietas, kuras tā kā vajadzētu zināt.
By clicking on the middle mouse button. Keep the throttle up and head for the harbor. You need to get into the bay before the storm hits.
One of us is gonna get sick, and it ain't me.
Kā jau jūs redzat, ir samērā liela vētra, tāpēc tiešām vajadzētu braukt uz dokiem.
Got some battle scars now.
Tūlīt mēs būsim arī.
The USCG Midget. We are on the scene. We've located the vessel. There are no signs of life on board. The life raft is missing. All stations keep a sharp lookout for survivors.
Tātad krasta apsardze meklē vēl joprojām kuģi, kuru mēs redzējām intro, un to viņi pašlaik arī mums tikai ziņo. Un tas arī tā kā viss. Turpinām braukt uz krastu.
You made it back safely, just in time too. Those swells are getting bigger by the minute. There's nothing else to do but hope that the Coast Guard will find the crew of the Arctic Lights in time.
Tātad mēs pabeidzām pirmo misiju. Un tagad būs otrā misija. Tātad šajā misijā mēs iemācīsimies dažas lietas, kuras vajadzētu zināt. Tās arī būs uz nākamajām misijām. Bet, nu, tās es jums tagad neteikšu, kas tur būs, tāpēc arī viss tagad.
Well, it looks like the weather came down real nice today. And we need to get over to the other side at the dock and pick up Matt. He's been shopping for groceries and all our supplies. Why don't you take the boat and run her over there? I'll sit back and watch. Just don't crash my boat.
You can bring up a list of all the game. You can look around the cabin by holding the right mouse button down while moving the mouse. There's a group of sea lions on the... Good. You can center the view again at any time by clicking. Matt is waiting for you at the dock. You'll have to navigate through the entrance of the bay to go pick him up. The radar shows you points of interest around your boat. The glowing dot on the edge of your radar shows the location of the dock where Matt is waiting. Your boat is always pointing up on the radar. The plus and minus buttons on the right of the radar display and the plus and minus keys on the numeric keypad let you zoom the display in and out. Left click and drag the throttle handle all the way up to make the boat move forward. Keep the throttle up to reach the entrance of the bay. Don't forget to use the camera controls or the reset view button to see where you're going.
You know, that's the Coast Guard Mellon out there. He's a 400-foot cutter. Right now we're on a collision course with him. You do need to stop and let him pass. These are the rules of the road you got to follow.
Bring the throttle back.
Nu jā, tātad mēs pašlaik gaidām, kamēr krasta apsardze pabrauc garām mums, un tad mēs varēsim turpināt ceļu. Un atvainojos par varbūtējiem lagiem.
You can move the rudder lever left and right, or use the rudder angle display. Push the rudder to the right for a few seconds until your rudder shows an angle of about 20 degrees.
Hey, that looks like the shellfish. It seems he's going into the bay as well, and by that puff of smoke I just saw coming out of the boat, he wants to race us in there. Why don't you hammer down, see if we can't beat him in?
What? You guys want to race? You're gonna need a faster boat than that to beat us.
Go full throttle to beat the shellfish to the entrance of the bay.
Nu jā, tātad mēs tagad sacenšamies ar selfišu. Šī misija ir samērā viegla, un šeit ir, es nezinu, ļoti grūti zaudēt. Es esmu vienreiz speciāli mēģinājis zaudēt, bet bija jābrauc ļoti lēni, lai viņš būtu pirmais krastā. Bet tas tā.
Now would be a good time to center the boat's rudder again. Click on the rudder angle display, or steer your boat into the bay before the shellfish.
Un kā jau jūs redzat, viņš samērā ātri attālinās no mums. Nu, tāpēc, jā.
Well done. You beat the shellfish to the entrance of the bay.
Way to go. Looks like we beat them in there. The shellfish is always bragging about how fast they are. It turns out Northwestern has all the speed you need.
You can use the mouse wheel, or, good, when zoom, you can look around your boat by holding down the right mouse button while... A bow thruster is a device that shoots water from the sides of the bow. Push the bow thruster stick to the left, or press the delete key on your keyboard to rotate your boat towards the dock. Good. You can go ahead and dock the boat now. Use the throttle and rudder to make your way to the dock and come to a full stop inside the glowing box. Slow down as you get close. You need to come to a full stop inside the box to dock the boat.
You guys sure took your sweet time. I've been waiting here forever.
Nu jā, tā mēs pabeidzām vēl vienu misiju. Un mums ir pieeja vēl dažām citām misijām. Bet tas vēlākam.
You know, I think we've been screwing around the harbor long enough. Why don't we get out to sea and go set some strings and start fishing? Let's see how you do.
Head past the harbor buoy into the open sea. The plotter is where you plan your fishing strategy.
The plotter is one of the greatest tools on a crab boat. It can give you an overall picture of where your pots are laid out and all your strings. It'll tell you where you're at compared to all of your gear and how far these pots are spaced out. Plus, it gives you different depths on the bottom as well. Plotter is really important to a crab fisherman.
You can zoom in and out on the map by You can look around the map by holding down. You can also use the controls on the display tabs control what.
Every summer, the Alaska Department of Fish and Game conducts a survey on how many crab are actually out there for us to fish. It's a good idea to look at the survey to get an idea where to start. Just remember, the crab do tend to move around.
Now that we have an idea of where the crabs are located, let's go ahead and plan where we'll drop our pots. A line of pots is called good. Good. Now that you know how to create strings, let's go and place one where we'll be fishing. Now that you know where you'll be dropping your gear, you need to get in position so you can start fishing. Using the left mouse button, click and drag your boat icon now that a waypoint has been set. Good. You now know how to plan strings in the plotter and travel quickly between locations. Click on the exit button on the screen, or press the escape key on the keyboard to exit the plotter. At any given time, the crew can be in any of 4 modes: rest, set pots, retrieve pots, and chip ice. The crew is currently in rest mode. Click on the Set Pots button to have them prepare a pot to drop. As soon as the crew is in set pots mode, they will start working to get a pot ready to launch. Navigate your boat close to the drop position. The drop position is only an indication of where you planned your lines in the plotter. You can choose to drop your pot anywhere you want. Get close to the first drop position and wait for the crew to be ready to drop the pot.
Nu jā, tātad mēs uzsākam savu pirmo zveju. Un pašlaik tas arī tā kā viss būtu. Un vēl ko es gribēju pieminēt, šajos tutoriāla misijās varētu būt savādāk nekā tad, kad jūs spēlējat karjeru, jeb to saucamo sezonu. Iekš sezonas varētu būt tā, ka jūs visu varētu darīt drusku ātrāk nekā jums jādara misijās. Misijās vairāk iet uz, tā kā, uz manuālu veidu, bet, nu, karjerā jūs varēsiet darīt arī automātiski visu. Bet, nu, precīzāk jūs redzēsiet vēlāk.
The crew is ready to drop the pot. Click on the buzzer or press the space bar to give them the launch order. Congratulations! You've just set your first pot. Now go to the next drop location to set the second pot. The drop positions appear in white on your radar. The pots you have already dropped show up in red. Drop the next pot at the second location. Remember to ring the buzzer to instruct the crew to drop the pot when they're ready.
This is the USCG Mellon. We have located the life raft. Diver is in the water.
Jā, tātad krasta apsardz mums ziņo to, ka viņi ir atraduši pazudušo kuģi un arī dzīvības pazīmes ir atrastas.
This is the USCG Mellon. All 4 crew members are inside the life raft. They are dehydrated but appear to be otherwise okay.
Nu, otrā ziņa no krasta apsardzes. Visi 4 kuģa apkalpes darbinieki ir izglābti un viņi tagad atrodas aprūpē. Nu jā.
Thank God. One more crew beat the Bering Sea.
Well, it sounds like everything went okay with that rescue operation. It just makes you start to wonder, you know, if it's ever going to happen to you the next go around. And it does keep a guy on edge, and it does weigh in the back of your mind at times. But for right now, we're here to fish, and that's what we want to do.
Nu jā, runājot par šādu veidu avārijām, es pats kādreiz esmu mēģinājis tā darīt, un bija viens moments, kad pat sanāca. Nu, tā es mēģināju noslīcināt savu kuģi ar visu apkalpi, bet bija tā, ka apkalpe it kā izdzīvoja un kuģis tika atvests atpakaļ uz dokiem, un man bija jāmaksā 30,000 ASV dolāri par remontu vai kaut ko tam līdzīgu. Nu jā, bet nu tas tā.
You can click on the deck camera screen at any time. The deck cam gives you a clear view of your crew, allowing you to check if they are ready to drop. Good. Go set the last pot to complete your string. Great. You have completed your first string. The red bar next to each fisherman's picture represents the current energy level of the crew member. The yellow